What's up? Another day, another castle. I'm headed to Ozu Castle. Nice.
Heat makes fire. Fire makes passion. Passion makes love.
Ozu Castle. Hey, the castle. Castle. It's hot. It's another ancient castle on top of a mountain. I'm gonna check out this castle and the city itself because there's a lot of cool things here. Like this. The river. No one's here. It's kind of nice. Flowers. Nice. The shoe room. Buy shoes. I'm by myself, no one's here. Once you enter castles, you gotta take your shoes off so you don't ruin the wood. It's nice in here. Beautiful view. Wood. Wood. It smells so good in here. Like wood, definitely newly renovated. Looks great. Beautiful. Up the stairs. Beautiful castle, beautiful river views. Look at this. Wow, not very touristy. There's always such steep stairs. Steep. Oh, the breeze feels nice. It's very warm in here. No one's here. There are a couple of people here, but I have found space by myself. Definitely the most modern interior, modern castle interior. Very steep. This beam is huge. So pretty. This is how they made this castle. Look at this guy. Lazy guy. But he's happy though. Just to build this roof looks like a lot of work. So precise too. Wow. I'm in the second tower and the wood looks older. It's like a darker stain on it. Let's go up. Up and up. Definitely older wood. But the views from the second tower, panoramic is panoramic. I love the music that they got going on. Peaceful. It is pretty hot though. Not a lot of ventilation. The wood is definitely older. Darker. I'm not sure if that's the stain or just if it gets darker with age. Beautiful. It's so pretty. This is kind of wild. This guy's like screaming because his arm is broken in half. And these two dudes just push this guy in and he's gonna hit his head on this rock. Oh my gosh. It's hot. I'm gonna go walk around the town now because it's a cool area. Look at this view. I think there's more ancient old things here. I don't know anything. You should know this by now. I really don't. But I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna follow a map. Pictures, because I can't read. Bye, castle. I'm at the river. The castle is just behind me. And I think across the river, they're setting up fireworks for a festival. Fireworks. What a beautiful day. Water. Ooh, so fresh. Fresh water.
We're full wide.
Can you see my whole full body?
Negative.
Go wider.
We're at full body shot. Castle in background.
Believe it. I'm sweating. My balls are hot. River gates. Flower. Hawk. Squaw. Pretty bird. I'm headed here. This town is sick. Get out of my shot, the cottage. Bat. So pretty. I don't know the name of this place. Namaste. Welcome to my crib. Garden. What a view. I was just up there. The cottage. An old Japanese style house. Where am I now? A water fountain. No way this works. Yeah, there's no way that was working. Statues. Ah, the breeze. This place is cool. There's not too many tourists here, which is nice. But not all of them follow the rules. Naughty, naughty. These two ladies were trying to get the shot and just hopped a fence. Why? Why? I don't understand. Doesn't make sense. Fence. Is it worth it to step on the grass and ruin it for everybody else? For a photo? For Facebook? Really? Doesn't make sense. I found some stairs. Gates. Hey, there's a lot of stairs in Japan. Wow, this is epic. The stairs, Torii Gate, and then the castle. This town's amazing, and no one here. Probably because it's like 95, 96 degrees outside. I'm at a shrine. The city's got everything. Fisherman. I really like this statue. Stairs. It's Monkey D. Luffy. I'm gonna be king of the pirates. Bye, Luffy. Plenty of cool streets around here. Spider webs. And another historic building. Beautiful. Meow. Wow. think this is a tea house, or was a tea house. Second story view. Wow. Tatami man. This wasn't a tea house. This was just somebody's house, which is pretty cool. And they have a well in the house. And it goes 50 meters. 50 meters deep. What a view. This is the upstairs. The upstairs. If I don't duck, I hit my head. No good. Oh, the well's in there, and it goes 50 meters into the mountain. Wow, this place is thick. The light. Spider web. This is what's making all the noise. It's called the cicada. I found this on the road, and he had already passed. But this is what they look like. Rest in peace. This is a street. These are some fish. Street fish. Club, 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 club. Hello. I don't have any food, sorry. Oh, he's shy. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.